Class 8 Subject Mathematics Exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Find the cube roots of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Now first point is 64. By prime factorization, prime factors of 64 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now make a pair, 3 ka pair 2 and in 2 into 2 into 2 3 times and 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 times. Now 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now third point is one digit is 10648. Now answer is prime factorization of 10648 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Now make a pairs. Now 2 ka pair and 11 ka pair. Now 2 into 11, then 11 into 2 equal to 22. Now fifth part is 15625. Answer is prime factorization of 15625 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now make a pairs. 5 into 5, then 5 5 is 25. Now eighth part is 46656. Answer is prime factorization of 46656 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 and 3 into 3 into 3. Now pairs, 2 ka pair and 3 ka pair, then 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36, answer is 36. Now next, ninth part is 175616. Now answer is prime factorization of 175616. Now factorization is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now make a pair 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 7 is 56 answer. Now part number 10 is digit is 91125. And now answer is by prime factorization of 91125. Now factorization is 3 3 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now make a pair, then 3 ke pair and 5 ka pair. Now 3 into 3 into 5, 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is state true or false. Now q of any odd number is even, false. A perfect q does not end with 2 digit, true. It if square of a number end with 5, then it q end with 25, false. Now next part number 4, there is no perfect q which end with 8, false. Now fifth part is the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number, false. A cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digit, false. The cube of a single-digit number may be a single-digit number, true. Now exercise is over.